Hey guys, welcome back to the Mario and Kim show.
Why do you always like to start it? That's what I want to know.
Just because I'm the makeup professional.
Hey guys, but you took my hey guys
Oh.
anyway. Hey sisters, we're here to do a SoooFire collab.
So I'm here today with Kim and we are reunited for another quick how-to. This one is for her new SoooFire collection. I actually turned up the heat in the studio today so I could really get into the character. It's a quick 5-minute look that we're going to demonstrate for you guys today.
And let me just say, I am obsessed with the packaging. You guys have no idea how obsessed I am. Isn't that cute? I love these colors and I'm so excited for Mario to actually teach me how to do an eye using all of these colors.
And what's really cool is that this is actually the first time using this on her, and it's the first time I actually got to see them and touch them. So it's going to be the same as you guys when you receive it at home. She does it on her own. I'm very, very proud of her. But anyway, stay tuned to watch how I turn this little innocent valley girl into the beauty icon that she is today.
I'm from Beverly Hills.
Oh, you're from Beverly?
I'm from Beverly
Okay, let's
Hills.
do that again.
No, let's not.
Okay guys, so I'm going to start on Kim's eyes now using the Rust pencil from the SoooFire collection. And I'm going to just start out by applying the liner right along the lash line here. She does have some false lashes on that I applied earlier. And I'm not going to be super neat with this line, I'm just going to sort of run it by the upper lash line.
It's so hard.
And same thing on the other side. And I'm going to blend this right after, so it'll be very easy. We're going to probably do like a sexy, smoky, fiery type of eye, but blown out in sort of style that I like.
First, we used a little bit of the baking powder underneath, and we used the baking powder number 2, the pink tone, just to kind of make sure that there's not a lot of fallout.
Yeah, we applied the baking powder underneath to catch the fallout, so we don't have to reapply her concealer.
Isn't this color pretty?
Yeah, it's a really nice color. I love warm reddish tones. Appropriately full of fire because I'm sweating. Alright, look up now. I'm going to take the same pencil, it's called Rust again. This is sort of like a matte reddish brown. Using the shade Rust along the lower lash line as well, and it's sort of like a rusty brown, very warm tone and matte. And again, I'm going to smoke it right along the lash line. So what I'm going to do now is actually something that Kim and I have been doing for a very, very long time, is using a gold pencil on the inner rim of the eye. And this one is called Yellow Gold, and this is from the SoooFire collection. So I'm going to apply this right along the inner rim. And what this does is it opens up the eyes, but it also makes the eyes look like more golden inside, which gives a beautiful effect. I'm going to put some of this Yellow Gold pencil, close your eyes, as a base first on the lid, just like this. Kim loves makeup that lasts all day because she films such long hours. So when you do this technique, it really makes the makeup literally bulletproof and it lasts day and night. I'm going to take now the third pencil, which is called Copper, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to apply it on the lid, but this time on the outer corner. And I'm going to take just a clean, dry brush, and I'm going to just blend that. And same thing on the other side. Alright, so I'm going to start with the Molten Magma shade here, which is the bottom center. And I'm just going to lightly tap, close your eyes, I'm going to lightly tap that just like right in the center of the eye. You can see now when you apply it right over that pencil, it grabs so beautifully. It stays super pigmented. And this is the same formula, right, as the KKW Mario.
Mm-hmm.
It was so kind, you guys, to let her keep that formula for her brand.
Sure, he was.
Because I'm the best.
He is.
Now I'm going to take Lava right here, which is the second one on the bottom, and I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm just going to pat that on the outer corner. And I'll do some blending on that in a little bit. Now I'm just taking a clean brush, and I'm just going to blend out the edges and sort of push that out, because I like a smoked out sort of catty eye. Okay, so I'm going to take now Burnt Bronze, which is one of my favorite colors in this palette. It's really pretty. And I'm going to apply that more towards the inner corner. And then on the very inner corner of the eye, I'm going to take Golden Ember, which is this yellowy metallic shade. Yeah. And I'm going to apply that right on the tear duct. And what this does is it opens up and separates the eyes and just adds a little bit of this sort of yellow golden tone Really nice for evening. I'm going to take just the leftover on my brush and just very lightly apply that right on the brow bone here. Alright, so I'm going to use now this beautiful shade Fury Eruption, just on a little sort of detailed pencil brush, and I'm going to smoke along the lower rim of the lashes.
It's fiery.
Oh, Fiery Eruption, I thought it was Fury. And we do the same thing along the lower lash line on this side. Okay guys, so I'm just going to wipe away this powder. I'm just applying a little more mascara on the bottom lash line because Kim really loves. Alright, so I'm going to take the KKW Beauty lip liner in Nude 1 before I apply the lip glosses from the Fire collection. And I oftentimes will mix Nude 1 and 2. I'm going to see first. I'm going to first apply Nude 1 and see if I want to make it any deeper. Alright guys, what lip gloss should we use? Flammable, Extinguish, or Radiate?
You know what I would want.
Yeah, typically she would always go for this. Should we try something else?
I'm into the brown one.
What if we mixed the brown? Actually, what if we mixed the bright one and the nude one? Or mix the nude one and the brown one?
Whatever you want.
Okay.
He loves to mix. I like it easy. I just like one. That one's so pretty though. That sheer.
Yeah, that's a nice correction.
Yeah, on the cover of this, we used that one.
The nude one.
So I'd say let's do something different.
So I'm just going to mix the two and sort of just see what works best as I start brushing it on. Alright, so I'm going to take most of the nude one here and just add a little bit of this orangey shade here.